Emotion is a strong feeling deriving from one's circumstances, mood, or the bond with others. On this auspicious day of bid adieu of our lovely seniors, batch 21-22, I would like to call my friend Varshit to share his emotions on senior most class.
Give this opportunity, Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, and my teachers and all my friends. I'm glad that I'm speaking about my seniors, and I respect them, and I treat them as my guardians, and I want to share some that in Manasa sister is my guardian, who always show me the right way and guide and help to reach the success. And I am inspired by her and her dedication towards studying bright colors to her life. And we all of representing grade 10, junior grade 10, we will not we will miss you, and thank you.
Thank you, Varshit, for sharing the bond that you are holding. Now I would call non-grade 10 teacher to pour his wishes and love in the form of a speech. So I would invite Tarun sir onto the stage, please.
Good morning to respected Director Sir and beloved Principal Ma'am. So in this auspicious day, we have come to the end of the academics for the grade 10, the senior most class of the school. So we will be learning a lot of things from the day one. Now we are going to miss everything. We have come to the end and we will be missing everything. So many of the teachers might be scolding you, have scolded you. You have been a lot of ups and downs, hurdles, more hurdles you will be moved on. But everything is for only one thing, that you will be concentrate. First you concentrate on your whatever you are doing. Then you can do whatever in your life. So a new chapter is going to begin. After 20 days, a new chapter is going to begin in everybody's. So focus. Whether you have to become a doctor or engineer, whatever it is, focus on one thing. So many of you all know that many of your parents, guardians, everybody will be telling you have to become this, you have to become this, everything. They'll be your own decision. This is the time where you will be taking your own decision, and you will be knowing what I can, what I am able to do. You will be knowing about yourself. So some other people, they'll be telling a lot of things for you. You are good in this now, you can become like this. Everything they'll be telling you. You know about yourself. So focus on that. A new life is going to begin. You are like a bird. Still now you are inside, you can observe like you are inside a cave. Because your motive is to study, you have to make us all proud. Now we are like a birds. We have opened the cage for you all. You can go, you can fly off, and many bright colors, you can touch it. So I'll tell you one thing, don't miss the school. You'll be missing your days, whatever you have enjoyed in your school days. So your teacher, Manoj sir, will be missing you all. So you'll need guidance from Mahesh sir, who always inspires you in everything. and many more teachers. Seniors are there. He is like a most down towards the earth. Always he is like a father for us in every aspect. And you have Sucharita ma'am, Sarad sir, Rajita ma'am, everybody. They are like good-hearted people. Always motivate. Always he used to push. If small thing is there, he would come there and he will be telling, you have to do this, you have to. He's like a fast express. So he'll be missing you all. And next one is our Iron Lady of the school. So Madam will be missing you all. So every teachers, not apart from 10th teachers, and every teacher will be missing you all. And all the best for your future. You will be having a bright future. And do your exams well and make us proud, because this is the first batch you will be having, and we have a lot of who has given me this opportunity to speak, and I'm glad that the 10th batch will make us all proud. Thank you, students. Thank you.
Towards our seniors. Now it's time for our seniors. So I would call all our seniors to recall their memories and put forward. First and foremostly, I would call Monza's sister to share her memories and the bond having with the school and the members in it.
Good morning, respected director sir, principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I'm very happy to stand before you sharing my feelings about my school life. Firstly, I would like to thank my juniors for making this such wonderful moment for us, and these are going to be our last days here, and they are making a wonderful, they have made wonderful moment which we cannot forget in our whole life. And I would like to thank all my teachers. They have supported us and encouraged us in many ways. They always walked in our way for our success, and whenever we fall, they always been behind us and they were pushing forward for our success. And we all had an enormous memories with you all, and we are going to miss you all badly, these campus teachers and even juniors. I would like to recall one memory is that in grade 8, when we used to get punishments, we were standing outside of the class and we used to cry, but one of punishments, there we created a memory, and that's the unforgettable memory in my school life. And this is the place where I found a real meaning of friendship, and I'll be missing all my friends. And finally, I would like to thank all of my teachers and everyone on behalf of my batchmates for making our journey colorful. Thank you.
Sharing all the memories that you had, those were our cool memories. Now I will call Sai Surya brother to share his memories.
Director sir, principal ma'am, respected teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to everyone. I am G. Sai Surya. Now I am going to share my school life. First of all, every student life will become memorable in their school. For me also, the school life made many memorable. I thank all my teachers because they are very friendly with us. I have seen other schools, all teachers are very strict, but here all are very friendly and made us to feel memorable. And I am going to miss all of you. I am going to miss this assembly ground, basketball court and all my friends. And I am going to thank all juniors for making our ending so much happy, for giving us happy ending. And for every happy thing there will be an ending for us. In 1 month we are leaving our school life. We are feeling very sad for that. And I thank all my teachers, principal and director sir, and all my juniors for making my school life very memorable. Mahesh sir, thank you sir, you are very friendly with us and gave many suggestions and put me here in this position. And I thank Rajita ma'am and Sucharita ma'am, you are very friendly with us ma'am. Thank you ma'am. And I thank Sharad sir, Srinivas sir, and our class teacher Manoj sir. Thank you, sir. Sometimes you are very strict, but we like that, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
For sharing the bond that you are holding. I would say one thing. We are not going to end the bond between us. This is not just a happy ending. We are going to continue forever. Coming on to, next I would call Shruti sister onto the stage.
Principal ma'am, teachers, my juniors and my dear friends, I am Shruti standing in front of you to share my feelings of school. I come before you with a lot of emotions. Obviously, school days are the most memorable days to everyone. Everyone after their school life, they'll miss their schools definitely. Firstly, I would like to thank my parents to join me in such a wonderful school where I got best mentors and friends. SR Vidya Niketan has become our identity. Whenever someone asks me in which school do you study, I happily say that I am a SRVN. That makes me happy that I proudly say that Vidya Niketan, everything, education is very important. Not only education, here we get all the activities such as sports, skills and everything.
అందరికీ శుభోదయం. సరే, నేను అందరూ చెప్తాను, ఇది ఒక చాలా అద్భుతమైన దృశ్యము, అద్భుతమైన సన్నివేశము. నిజమే, ఇంతటితో ఇంకొక నెల్లాళ్లలో 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థుల యొక్క పాఠశాల పూర్తిగా ఉంది. సో మీరందరూ పాఠశాల ముగించుకుని కాలేజీ చదువుల కోసం వెళ్తున్నారు. మరి ఇందాక తరుణ్ సార్ చెప్పినట్టు ఇక్కడ వరకు ఇదొక ఘట్టం. ఇక్కడ నుంచి కోతి, నక్కటం అంటే కోతి. కోతి తన పిల్లల్ని ఎలా పెట్టుకుంటుంది చూసారా? కోతి పిల్లల్ని ఎప్పుడైనా గుండెలకు అతుకుని ఎక్కడికి దూకినా అలాగే అతుకుని వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి కోతి తన పిల్లల్ని ఎలా రక్షిస్తుందో గుండెలకు అతుకుని అలాగా ప్రైమరీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ని జాగ్రత్తగా కాపాడుకుంటూ విద్య నేర్పుతారు ఆ యొక్క టీచర్లు. అలాగే కొంచెం సెకండరీ విద్యకి వచ్చేసరికి ఆ విద్య ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే మార్జాలకు స్వర న్యాయం అంటారు. మార్జాలం అంటే పిల్లి పిల్లల్ని పెట్టిన తర్వాత 7 తిప్పుతుంది. అంటే ఎందుకు తిప్పుతుంది? తిప్పేటప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే తన నోటితో పట్టుకుని ఆ పిల్లల్ని మెడ మీద నోటితో పట్టుకుని ఈ ఇంటి నుంచి ఆ ఇంటికి తిప్పుతూ ఉంటుంది. అలా తిప్పేటప్పుడు నోటితో పట్టుకుంటుంది, పడితో గట్టిగా పడితో పట్టుకుంటుంది. కానీ వాళ్ళకి ఏ విధమైనటువంటి ఆపద రాకూడదు అని చెప్పేసి అలా పట్టుకుని తిప్పుతూ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ సెకండరీ విద్య ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ విద్య మాధ్యమిక సమన్యాయంగా ఏర్పడుతుంది. అంటే కాబట్టి పిల్లల్ని కొడుతూ ఉంటారు, తిడుతూ ఉంటారు. కానీ ఎందుకోసం అంటే మీ యొక్క భవిష్యత్తు కోసం, మీరు మంచి మార్గంలో నడవాలి, మంచి మార్కులు సాధించాలి. అలాగే ఇక ఇది పూర్తయిన తర్వాత మీ యొక్క ఉన్నత విద్యాభ్యాసం ఎలా జరుగుతుంది అంటే గోవత్స న్యాయం అంటారు. గోవత్స న్యాయం అంటే గోవు అంటే ఆవు. ఆవుని దోడిని చేలో వదిలేస్తే రెండింటినీ విడివిడిగా వదిలేస్తారు. వాటిని కట్టేది వదిలేసినప్పుడు ఆవు మేస్తూ ఉంటుంది, అలా మేసుకుంటూ పోతూ ఉంటుంది. దూడ ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే ఆ ఆవును అనుసరించి ఆవు ఎడితే అటు నెమ్మదిగా మేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంది. దాన్ని పట్టుకుని రాగదు, లేకపోతే ఎవరో పట్టుకుని రాగరు. ఆవు అదే వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటుంది. అంటే టీచర్స్ కూడా మేము చెప్పేటువంటి హైయర్ స్టడీస్ లో ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ఇక్కడలాగా చదవండి అని చెప్పేసి పనిష్మెంట్ లేవడం, చదివితే చదవండి మరొక ఇదంతా ఉండదు. అలా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. దాన్ని గోవత్స న్యాయం అంటారు. కాబట్టి ఇలా విద్య అనేటువంటిది నేర్పబడుతుంది. ఇప్పటి వరకు మీరందరూ కూడా మంచిగానే ఈ 2 విద్యలో నాకు చెప్పినట్టు మా అక్కడ కిశోర న్యాయంలో కానీ మార్జాల కిశోర న్యాయంలో కానీ బాగానే చదువుకున్నారు. ఇక వచ్చే ఆ కాలేజీ విద్యను కూడా మంచిగా అభ్యసించి ఏది నాకు చెప్పట్లేదు నన్ను ఏమంటలేదు వదిలేయకుండా మంచిగా ఆ విద్యాభ్యాసాన్ని కొనసాగించి మీ యొక్క భవిష్యత్తుని మంచిగా తీర్చిదిద్దుకోవాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఈ అవకాశాన్ని ఇచ్చిన అందరికీ కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good morning everyone, respected director sir, beloved principal ma'am, all my respected teachers and dear my friends. I am Ganesa here to share my memories of my school life. First, I would thank all our juniors, friends and teachers, teaching and non-teaching staffs. But every moment is a memorable moment where we can get in our school life. School is a temple of knowledge where we can get all the education, learning, behavior, everything, etc. And our teaching staff, they have put a 100% effort on us to get a better development in our learning. So I would thank you. I would thank our directors and principal ma'am and teachers, our class teacher.
Good morning everyone. Good morning to beloved principal and director sir and my teachers, juniors and my friends. First of all, thanks to our juniors for making this a perfect moment to share our feelings. First I will talk about my teachers who has been a perfect example for us every time. They guided us in every moment, and my friends who always been funny with me, made some good memories. We find memories in our punishments. We who always stand outside of our class. We always stand outside in Manosa class. But we enjoyed that moments. I also thank my teachers who has been a perfect mentor for us. Thank you.
A very good morning to respected teachers and honorable the director sir and principal madam. I am very happy to hear because I got many sisters, brothers and
Good morning everyone. Good morning to my respected director sir, principal ma'am and my teachers and all my juniors. I am very happy to be here and I am very sad to leave because I am leaving in few more days. And I have many good memories here. I learned many things here. Teachers always guided me. And when I was in trouble, they'll help me. They'll help me. And I played here, I learned here many things. Thank you.
10th class batch who are going to leave the school in a month, hardly a month. I have so many memories with this batch. In the beginning, when I was teaching them, when they were in 9th grade, it was Corona time, there was not much contact with each other, but they used to come in between for correction and all, but that time also they were very quiet, not like this. You are not at all quiet. You are not showing your real self, I can say that. But you are very quiet and all. There was a month that we spent together sometime. That time also you were quiet. But this year, you are yourself and you are active in everything, not just in studies. You are active in all, you are, even if you are 10th class, no other school provide the opportunities you are getting here. It's not just about studies all the time. You have to be here. They are very friendly in this term, I guess. That's what I have seen, I have observed. And all my lovely girls, like very decent and also sometimes naughty. And especially Manasa. Like she is the, I can say she is the leader of their school. Not just she is elected, but She leads them whatever they require or anything. She is the one who comes forward. And also Ganasai. And the most naughtiest kid in this class is, in my class is Vishnuvardhan. So I always make him sit forward. People you miss, it's your friends, your teachers. You will think that, okay, this teacher, she is coming or he is coming or something, but you will realize their importance once you leave this, once you get away from it. Okay? And if I had scolded you or I was tough on you, don't think that was out of anger or anything. It was out of my love towards you. Like, I want you to be better at the things you are doing. So I had been tough on you, I will be tough on you. And I think, and also I am friendly with you outside the classroom. So I'll continue to be like this. And this is towards your career. So I hope all the very best and good luck. Do your best, give your best. Make your school proud, your teachers proud, your parents proud, your friends proud. I hope you do that. All the very best, dear students. Thank you.
And I would like to thank my teachers who have been with us, and they struggled very hard for us to get the good result. And at last, class teacher Manoj sir, he used to be very serious with us, and in his period at least one student will be outside in his every class. Thank you sir for your friendliness with us. And my friends, I'll be in contact with them. Thank you.
Good morning, and all. Good morning, sir and ma'am. I am glad to say that I am mixed with memories with the school, and my teachers are very inspiring to me, and they inspire me a lot. Like, I will be working hard until I will be called as guest to my school. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I'm Vishnu from grade 10. Good morning to all our directors, sir, and beloved principal ma'am, my dear friends and teachers. And I study many things and how to respect each ma'am and teachers. And this is a school for me, Mother Lab. And thank you.
Respected director sir and principal ma'am and my dear friends, all of you a very good morning. And teachers, I am going to miss this school. I came to school at 8th class. At 8th class, we enjoyed a lot with my friends, and my teachers are mingled with us. After that, at 8th evening, our enemy lockdown, Corona came. At lockdown, our school kept online classes. At online classes also, we used to miss classes and we used to play online games. After that, we came to school late, 10th first, and at 10th also we also enjoyed a lot. Our teachers are encouraged to study, and we used to sit at the last bench and we are making connect friends, and we are going to miss that last bench and my friends and also my teachers. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone, respected directors and principal and teachers, my friends. I am sharing my school life. when I came to in 8th grade, first I have mingled with my friends, and when I have joined in hostel, I got more motivation, especially from principal ma'am and director sir. And I am missing the school within 1 month. It is so sad. And we enjoyed a lot in our classes, during online classes and offline classes. I guess that nearly 1 year back, we have started at this time grade 10, and we have enjoyed a lot that time. We used to study good at that time, but when we got holidays, then we did not study well. But we are good at now. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone, and this was my beloved directors and my teacher. I am very sad to say that within 1 month we are going from this school. I have one incident in grade 8 when chemistry syrup and teachers taken leave by principal ma'am, and principal ma'am said that give him 1 day and you have to write in, sit in one class and you have to complete it. And first time in school only first I only got from principal some punishment. And my friends have to tell you are a great person, like they have to do comments upon me. Thank you. We have so many memories. Thank you, friends. And my dear juniors, I'm very thankful that our juniors and my respected teachers and my dear juniors and my friends. A very good morning to everyone. I'm very sad to say this. We are leaving in 30 days in this school. First of all, I thank the directors and principal who always support us, guide us, and inspire us. And also thank my teachers who always suggest us. I was enjoying so much in this school. I was learning so much games. If a student want to become topper, join SR Vidyaniketa International School and change your life. Wherever in this school, there is equal rate in all activities and co-curricular activities.
Respected principal ma'am and directors of, I'm very sad to say this. We are leaving. I miss punishments and again my friends and teachers. Thank you.
Even after this offline classes started also for few days, I have called him say with the same name. Then also he didn't say that my name is this one. Later on through some teachers I came to know that his name is Ganasai. So it has been great experience to handle the grade 10 students. So we'll be crossing so many stages in our life, but compared with all the stages, school life will be the best, and it will give us so many memories. The main thing in the school life is the bond you have between you people, the friendship you have. So make sure that you carry this bond in your whole life. So wherever we go, as we are in the advanced technology, it's not that it is the farewell, we are going to miss everybody. So whenever we want, we all can meet and you all can share your memories once again. So do this, do that and all. It's not the one they are going to do it. It is you are the one who is going to work on it and you are going to achieve it.
So concentrate on your goal, set your goal, so try to achieve that. So make your parents, your institution and the nation proud. So all the best for your bright future. Thank you.
Sir, Principal Ma'am, dear colleagues and my loving students, a very good morning to one and all. It's an emotional moment for all of us to share as we are bidding farewell to our great 10 students. They were with us just like one family where there will be mother, father and brothers and sisters, sharing, caring and taking care of each one of us. And as they are going to write their board exam, after that they are not going to be with us. And definitely we will miss them badly for the memories that we had, the love and joy that we shared with them, the moments that we spent with them. So as we are giving farewell to them, I just remember one poem which I taught them, right? So John Berryman, one poem by John Berryman, and a small child loses a ball, and after that he was very much disappointed, and many people and the bystander, they wanted to give different ball, but that will not substitute the ball that he lost. It's because the many memories, emotional things that is attached with ball he will not get. The same thing you will not have after leaving this school, the moment that you spend with your friends, your juniors and teachers. But one thing I can say that school is always open for you, the directors are, so can welcome you anytime you can and visit. And of course, if teachers are there, all teachers, and wherever you go, you will get back your memories, the time that you spent. I can say that, so I found from all other grades, you are the good grade I can find it. I can say, you are the mature student I can find. Though most of them, they told that, okay, you are talented. Thing is that, and you are not, okay, justifying yourself to teachers. Whatever, now you are strong, confident, whatever you have learned from each of us, you can put in practice and take whatever good things that you learned from us and practice. And wish you all the best. May God bless you and do well and be a good citizen. And now bring glory to your parents and the school. Thank you and have a good day.
Most lovable, outgoing students and all students, very good morning. So we meet many in our life, but we connect with only very few. A few with whom we can enjoy a lot, with whom we can smile wholeheartedly, with whom we can even cry together. So for me, you will be always in that list, grade 10 students outgoing batch. So always will be in that list. So you are a team that involve everything. Talented, dedicated, hardworking, innocent, sad, happy, loud. So you are my mixed emotions. So it's always. Secondly, if I want to say that most of you are very close at each and every point, and in all the events you are supporting and accepting my words. So namely, if I say Abhigna, soft but too strong. Mansa, the arguably most responsible and dedicated student as well as leader in the school. Shruti can do multiple activities at the same time, the most generous. Sahasra, most honest, calm. Shishira, active, courageous. Celebrating all, Asai Sonia, the most pleasant smile which always you wear is very nice, which makes me feel so happy. And even Ganasai, the most excited all the time. That thing will never give up. So Vikram, very dedicated. Vishnuvardhan, it's like a friend. So most of you, Shashi, most spontaneous person. So I would like to share one thing. Last year, in the month of February, March, so I was injured. My leg got fractured. I was injured, and I was taking rest almost 1 month in my room. At that time, almost all the grade 10 students used to come and they used to spend a lot of time. They understood that I was very low, and the people came to me and used to spend a lot of time and made my those days also memorable. Thanks for that. So I want to share one thing. So when you are at top, when you are having some powers, when you are very good, all people will be surrounded. All people will be taking your advantage. But when you are at low, when I was at low, when I was at sad moment, the grade 2 students, especially boys and girls, all of them, they used to come and spend a lot of time and they used to make me happy. Thanks for that. That's what I said. You will be always in that list which I have chosen family. So always. So few which I don't want to lose but have to be done. But I promise that we will be continuing the same relationship. I'll be always motivating. Thank you. Thank you.
And respected director and principal ma'am, I am very happy to be here because finding this school and being in this school, Ramos has special thanks for me. And today I wish all the great time, because what you want to become in future, you have to achieve your goal and successful life. And now your new chapter will be begin, and you have to focus forward. What you want to become, you have to look forward and achieve your goal. All the best for a colorful life. Thank you.
Just going around the campus with Director Sir, and I was looking at my students. And one thought was there in my brain: how innocent, how ignorant, how immature these students are, and how am I going to build them? I remember you were not even able to stand properly, speak properly. Your body language is entirely different. Your academic parts were very, very poor. But still, there was a ray of hope in me that I am going to give the best for my students. So that is what me and my team, under the leadership of Director Sir, I proudly feel that we could achieve. I remember the innocent faces which the grade 10 had, because of no knowledge, the confidence level was very low in students. Today they come up and speak very boldly and share their thoughts in a very proper manner. That is what the transformation or reformation has happened in SR Vidyaniketan. So school is a place, one of your friend was saying, it's a place of, it's a temple of knowledge. Every child is groomed, can be groomed with the team effort. The credit goes to the team which has worked, collaborated with each other and brought this change. It is not only the first year, 2019, the students came from different schools, different backgrounds, with different knowledge. But today, proudly, we can say that all the SRians have come to a platform where they are with equilibrium with all the academics and co-academics. Is it not, students? Do you feel in the same way? Did you understand what I was saying? Though you come from different...
See, today is very unfortunate, unmemorable day in your 10th grade students. Why? Because these school days is never forgotten in your future. See, school, see, all of you listen carefully, boys, 4th grade boys, listen carefully. మన విద్య అనేది ఫస్ట్ స్కూల్ అనే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. స్కూల్లో మన నడవడిక, మన యొక్క బిహేవియర్, మన యొక్క యాటిట్యూడ్ ఆ స్కూల్ మంచిగా చెప్పిందంటే నీకు ఎక్కడ పోయినా ఎనీవేర్ ఆల్ కెరీర్ యువర్ కెరీర్ లా ఎప్పటికైనా మీకు గ్రోత్ వస్తుంది. మీరు ఇక్కడ నడవడిక, ఇక్కడ పర్ఫెక్ట్నెస్ లేదనుకో ఎక్కడికి పోయినా ఇదే ఫ్యూచర్ లో కంటిన్యూ అయిపోతారు. మీరు దానికి ఒకటే ఒక ఉదాహరణ, ఇప్పుడు మన 10th గ్రేడ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ఈవెన్ వాళ్ళకి మినిమం ఒక తెలుగు చదవడము, ఒక ఇంగ్లీష్ చదవడము అక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఈ రోజు వాళ్ళకి అండ్ దే గో ఫర్ ద ఓన్లీ అవర్ SRV. See, literally their parents have come to the year, they really వాళ్ళు ఏడవడం, సార్ మా పిల్లవాడు మీ చేత పెట్టారు, మీరు ఏం చేశారు. మన చేంజ్కి, మన ఆ 10th గ్రేడ్ చేంజ్కి ఇదే మన ఉదాహరణ. బోర్డు చదవడి ఒక పేరెంట్ వచ్చాడు, సార్ నా కొడుకు బోర్డు చదువుతలేడు, నేను 7th గ్రేడ్ వరకు ఒక స్కూల్లో చదివించాను, నా కొడుకు బోర్డు చదవలేకపోతున్నాడు సార్ అన్నాడు. ఈ రోజు ఆ అబ్బాయికి 82% వచ్చింది. See, that is almost 80. See, that is our SRV credit. And one more thing, you are very నేను చాలా అదృష్టవంతులు. ఎందుకంటే యువర్ టీచర్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఆర్ బుల్లెట్స్ లాంటి టీచర్స్ ఉన్నారు మీ దగ్గర. ప్రతి నిమిషము, ప్రతి క్షణము ఏ డౌట్ ఉన్నా, ఏ ఎక్కడున్నా ప్రతిదీ క్లియర్ చేస్తారు. సార్ నాకు ఇది డౌట్ ఉంది, నాకు ఇది డౌట్. You never forget in career this type of teachers or this type of institutions never forget in your life. Why? Because see, some student is ఒక స్టూడెంట్ చెప్పాడు, 10th క్లాస్ అబ్బాయి చెప్పాడు, ఏమని చెప్పాడు మీరు విన్నారా? ఆల్ ఆర్ సేమ్ ఈక్వాలిటీ మెయింటైన్ ఇన్ ది స్కూల్. ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఇస్ సేమ్, ఈవెన్ బిలో యావరేజ్, అబోవ్ యావరేజ్, టాపర్. All are equal. In SRV, see, one girl is saying, I am color of this school, sir. I am saying the proud of this school. SRV is my school. See, that is the enough of our school name. మరి ఎప్పుడు వస్తాము? మీ దగ్గర గ్రోనెస్, మీ యొక్క గ్రోనెస్ చూడాలి మీ ఫేస్ లో. అరే నేను SRV అంటే మీ యొక్క ఫేస్ లో చూపించాలి. ఎక్కడ చదివినామనేది కాదు, ఎంత నేర్చుకున్నాం, ఎంత బిహేవ్ చేశాము, ఎంత కాదు. ఇప్పుడు దానికి అన్నిటికీ ఉదాహరణ చిన్న 10th క్లాస్ వాళ్ళే. 10th క్లాస్ వాళ్ళకి వాళ్ళు ఒక స్టేజ్ నుంచి ఈ రోజు 82% యావరేజ్. మీరు హైదరాబాద్ లో పెద్ద టాప్ స్కూల్స్ తీసుకోండి, సర్చ్ చేయండి, వాళ్ళ పర్సంటేజ్ ఎంత ఉంది, మన పర్సంటేజ్ ఎంత ఉంది. మన క్లాస్ లో ఇదే ఒక అమ్మాయి వచ్చింది, హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి, శ్రీ చైతన్య నుంచి వచ్చింది. అమ్మాయి వచ్చింది ఎగ్జామ్, అమ్మాయి వచ్చినప్పుడు మన పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎంత ఉంది, అమ్మాయి పర్సెంటేజ్ వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ కి అమ్మాయికి మొత్తం 100 మార్క్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఎలా వచ్చింది? మన టీచర్ ఎఫర్ట్స్, మన ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఎఫర్ట్స్, మన స్కూల్ ఎఫర్ట్స్. స్కూల్లో మీకు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం కాపాడుంటాడో వాడిని మనము తీసే బాధ్యత మనది. స్కూల్లో ఈ స్కూల్లో కంపల్సరీ తీస్తామని మన దగ్గర ఏంటంటే ఇది ఇప్పుడు మన 10th క్లాస్ బాయ్స్ వాళ్ళకి 10:30 వరకు టీచర్స్ కూర్చొని చెప్తారు. వాళ్ళకి ఏమవసరం 10:30 వరకు కూర్చొని చెప్పడం ఎందుకు? 10:30 వరకు 9th కూర్చొని టీచర్లు వాళ్ళ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ప్రిపరేషన్ చేస్తుంటారు. ఎందుకు? నా పిల్లలు, నా స్కూలు, నా వ్యవస్థ నేను ఇంప్రూవ్ చేయాలా. వాడు ఫెయిల్ అయిన వాడు ఏమైనా బాగా చెప్పలేదనుకో వాళ్ళు ఫీల్ అవుతారు టీచర్స్. అది ఈవెన్ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. మీ ఎఫర్ట్
An auspicious program is incomplete without lightening of the year. It's not just a morning lamp, it's a lamp of sharing knowledge. So I would request Principal Ma'am and Director Sir to lighten up the year. I would request